Today I will discuss definition of pressure, pressure measurement and classification of pressure. First of all, definition of pressure. Pressure is defined as the perpendicular force applied on the fluid surface per unit area. That means P equal to perpendicular force F by A, and it can be written in this way. This is in derivative form, dF by dA. And this is force, that means Newton, area, that means meter square. That means here unit, this is Newton per meter square or Newton per millimeter square, Pascal or bar in different format. 1 Pascal, that is equal to 1 Newton per meter square and 1 bar, this is equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, that means 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Or 750.06 millimeter of Hg, পারতস্তম্ভের চাপ, or 750.06 torr. That means 1 torr equal to 1 millimeter of Hg. Or pressure can be measured in other unit. This is 1 technical atmosphere. This is equal to 1 ATA or 1 kGa per centimeter square, and 1 standard atmosphere, this is equal to 1.01325 bar, or 1.033 kgf per centimeter square. Or we know that 760 millimeter of Hg or 760 torr. In different unit, pressure can be measured. Now how pressure is measured, that means measurement of pressure. Consider a reservoir and there is some liquid of a specific weight omega. Consider a point A at the bottom of the reservoir. Here pressure is to be measured. Now assume a cylindrical column of area dA and height h above this point. So pressure at this point P equal to, we know that this is dF by dA, force per area, but here the force applied on this point is the weight of the water column. We know that specific weight equal to weight per unit volume, so W equal to omega V. So here dF, force applied on the body, that means point, equal to weight of the cylindrical column, that means W by dA. W means omega, specific weight into volume, by dA. Again, specific weight and volume means area into height. This is dA into height by dA. So this is omega h, or rho rho GH. This is pressure. Yeah, pressure equal to omega H, specific weight into height, or rho means density into gravitational acceleration into height. Yeah, this is pressure measurement. Now, classification of pressure. Yeah, pressure can be classified into three main format. First of all, absolute pressure. This is the pressure exerted by the system on its boundary with reference to absolute vacuum pressure. Sorry, absolute vacuum pressure, or above complete vacuum. Yeah, look at the board. This is pressure and this is absolute zero pressure. This is atmospheric pressure. Here this is atmospheric pressure P suffix ATM. Yeah, so absolute pressure can be measured with respect to gauge pressure and vacuum pressure. So another type, this is gauge pressure. When pressure is above atmospheric pressure, this is called gauge pressure, and it is measured with pressure measuring instrument. This is gauge device. That means here a point above atmospheric pressure, this is actually gauge pressure. Yeah, and when pressure below atmospheric pressure, and which is also measured with pressure measuring instrument, this is vacuum device, it is called vacuum pressure. Suppose here a point below atmospheric pressure, so this is called vacuum pressure P suffix V. When pressure above atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure, this is atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. This is P suffix ABS, absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. That means P suffix ABS, that is equal to P suffix ATM, atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. Or when pressure below atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure, that is equal to atmospheric pressure minus vacuum pressure. This is atmospheric pressure, this is vacuum pressure. That means this can be also P suffix ABS. That means absolute pressure. So pressure is of mainly three types. Absolute pressure, the pressure exerted by the system on its boundary. Gauge pressure, when pressure is above atmospheric pressure. And vacuum pressure, when pressure is below atmospheric pressure. Yeah, so thank you.